5 months ago, television history was changed, and nobody noticed. Not a person. This man right here, Anthony Bowens. So he changed history. There's a lot of history of television, as illustrated by this Wikipedia article that has history, and also this article here, which is not an article but a picture. But look, line went up. Things happen with TV, and then people stop caring about things happening with TV. But 5 months ago, on November 3rd, 2023, a word was used. A word which is on the screen, and I do not feel like reading out. It doesn't feel right. This word right here in this Firetext logo site that I use. A word that's like this word is on dictionary.com. But this word is not on dictionary.com. It is still with the underground, in the caves, with the seshes, and nobody watches AEW Collision, so let me explain to you a little bit, but not too much, because I don't need to explain why this is Daddy Ass scissoring Anthony Bowens and Max Caster, his two adopted sons, while his real sons are with Bullet Club Gold right there and there, Colton and Austin Gunn, part of the Ass Boys. And the Ass Boys and Bullet Club Gold, they did briefly have an alliance with the Bang Bang Scissor Gang, but the scissoring of the Bang Bang Scissor Gang that broke up. I don't expect people who don't follow this very serious sport understand the specifics of the Daddy Ass, the Ass Boys, the scissoring, the Bang Bang Scissor Gang. It's very athletic and you wouldn't get it. So today, just gonna play a nice clip here where the word is said. Please react accordingly to the word.
And we'll get to 69 again, and we'll get to 69 again, and we'll get to 69 again, and we'll get to 69 again. Ah! Damn it, Max! Stop being a gooner.
He said it. Right there. He's gonna explain to Billy Gunn after this what that meant. This is television history, and no one is talking about it because no one watches Collision, because wrestling is lame, and I love it.